Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Google Meet on Chromebook step by step clearly. To record a Google Meet session on a Chromebook, start by opening your Google Meet link. Ensure you are signed in to your Google account. Join the meeting you want to record. Once in the meeting, locate the three vertical dots in the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the three dots to open the menu. Select Record Meeting from the drop-down options. A pop-up will appear, informing participants that the meeting is being recorded. Confirm by clicking Start Recording. The recording will begin shortly after you confirm. You can check the recording status in the top left corner of the screen. To stop the recording, return to the three vertical dots menu. Click on Stop Recording. A pop-up will appear to confirm you wish to end the recording. Click Stop Recording once more to confirm. After stopping, the recording will automatically be saved to Google Drive. You will receive an email notification once the recording is ready. To access your recording, open Google Drive and navigate to the Meet Recordings folder. From there, you can view, share, or download the recording as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.